Hey YouTube, here I am over here. I'm walking through the woods here and try not to fall down, but check out how much of me you see. Look at my GoPro hat. My GoPro camera up here is showing my arm. Look at my arm is fully extended. Look at how much of my body you see. That's not normal for an Osmo Pocket because an Osmo Pocket does not have a wide angle lens, but it does now. And let me bring that closer to the GoPro. Can you see that? There's a wide angle lens on there. And look at, I've got it this close to my head. You can still see my face. See my face down there? See my GoPro? Yeah, this is a new product by Freewell. Now Freewell says that this wide angle lens for the Osmo Pocket is the best on the market. They say there's nothing else on the market that compares to this. This is the best product. No blurriness on the corners. Here's a corner, I don't know, there's corners around here. No blurriness, no weird stuff. It's supposed to give you true wide angle lens. And if you look around here, look at, it's a nice wide view. Now you're probably saying, well, that's all good, Steve, but I don't know what it looks like without the wide angle lens. So my GoPro's still watching. Watch this, I'm gonna pull the lens off here. Let me face this way. It's a little less bright on me. All right, here we go. I'm gonna pull the lens off. Pulling it off now. Whoa! Did my head suddenly get close? Yeah, that's the normal Osmo. Look at, can't even fit my whole head in there because my melon, there we go. I have to hold my arm way up. There you go. Now let me put the wide angle on. See if I can do this with my eyeball here. There we go. And that's the wide angle lens. So where would you use this? Say I had two people on either side of me and I was trying to vlog and I wanted them in the frame. Well, with a wide angle lens, you would see them. Without it, arm length, nope, I'd need a selfie stick to go miles out. Say you were in a museum and you had to look at all the items in the museum because it's very close in cramped quarters. Wide angle lens would help with that. And even now with me vlogging, walking here, it's, you know, it works fine. And face tracking does continue to work with the wide angle lens. It's pretty sweet. All right, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you what comes in the box and a little indoor test, and then come on back to me and then we'll do a quick outdoor test. Here we have everything that comes in the box. You get the, well, the box, the wide angle lens box. You get the Osmo Pocket wide angle lens, some Freewell stickers, a filter guide about all the Freewell filters, an instruction card how to put the lens on the Osmo Pocket, your lifetime warranty, and some instructions here about ISO and some links to videos. Looking at the wide angle lens from this angle, you can see the two magnets on either side. Moving it forward, you can see the front portion and how thick the glass is and the metal construction. All right, let's try a little test. I have the Osmo Pocket down here and it's looking straight at a pile of Freewell filter boxes. Now you're seeing the video, what it sees at the moment, and you can see I can get some of the boxes in the frame, but not all of them because there's quite a few boxes. So I'm gonna snap on the wide angle. There we go. And how's it look now? Should see more. All right, here we have a beautiful stream, and down here I have my Osmo Pocket filming away. There's our shot, and let's go for a wide angle. There we go. I think I have that on correct, so the shot should look much more wide angle. Here's a better example. I have a bridge here, I got water going under it, and that's the shot from the Osmo Pocket. You can see it's kind of a tight shot, so let's widen it up a little bit. And how's that shot? Wide angle lens is on. I'm going to flip the camera around to look at me. And there I am in this beautiful scenic area where you can see so much with my wide angle lens. And once again, just to show you the difference, here comes the hand to pull it off. And there we go. See? My head is too large. You have to put the wide angle back on. There we go. There we go. Much better. All right, so yeah. So if you're gonna vlog, if you're gonna go into tight enclosed spaces, if you're gonna film or take photos of areas and you want wide landscapes, you're gonna need a wide angle lens. So I'm gonna put links below to where you can find this. I do not know the price because Freewell just sent this to me and it's not even on the market yet. So this video is made before it gets on the market, but you're probably noticing this wide angle lens in a lot of my videos because when I talk to the Osmo Pocket, I have the wide angle lens on. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and we'll catch you in the next one.